In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use Zapier Webhooks to connect your favorite apps to Shape. We'll demonstrate how to get your posting URL from Shape, set the trigger event in the application you are connecting, and how to fill in the post action. Let's start by getting our posting URL by navigating to Settings in the top gradient bar, and under Sales and Marketing Automation, you will find the Marketing Sources settings page. We can create a brand new source or open an existing one by clicking Edit. For this example, we'll go ahead and create a new Google Contacts source for this video. After opening or creating your source, you will fill in the channel type, lead source, and the campaign name for this source. You'll also set the record type that the leads will go under and set the campaign to on. Scroll down to the bottom of this page to find the posting URL as well as the field mappings. You can think of your posting URL like an email or phone number for Shape to receive data from your application. Now that we have our posting URL, let's create our Zap by logging into your Zapier account and pressing Create Zap in the top left corner. Set up the trigger step of your choosing. In this example, we'll be using Google Contacts as the trigger. Then we will set our trigger event. In this case, it is set to New Lead. Clicking Continue will take you to where you can choose the account for your application. If you have not added it previously, then you will be prompted to log into your account. Once you've logged in, click Continue at the bottom and Zapier will search your account and look for lead data matching the trigger event set previously. A successful test completes the trigger, and now we need to set the post action for this Zap. For the app event, this will be Webhooks by Zapier, and the event needs to be set to post as Git is not supported due to being less secure. Under Setup Action, we will put the posting URL that we created into the URL field and make sure that the payload type is set to Form. Next, we need to map the data that we captured from Google Contacts. When you click into the text field, you will see the data that was provided in our trigger, and we will go ahead and set this to first name, last name, email, and phone. Now we need to match the field names in Shape to the data that we just entered. These are found in the Marketing Sources settings page, where we can copy and paste the field name for first name, last name, email, and phone. Back in Zapier, we will paste the field names that we copied into the data field. These field names are case sensitive and do need to appear exactly as they do in the Marketing Sources settings page. Once done mapping, you can ignore the fields below the mapping as these are not necessary to post lead data into Shape. Press Continue when finished, where you can review the data that you're trying to map and test. When a lead is submitted, Shape provides real-time feedback in the HTTP response body. This feedback identifies which one of 3 possible outcomes occurred. After successful tests, turn the Zap on when you're ready. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.